This is a video describing how to calculate molecular formula. So if you remember from last week, I described an empirical formula as the smallest whole number ratio between the elements in a compound. So here we have NH2. This is the empirical formula, which is given in the question. And they tell you that it has a formula mass of 32.06 AMU. So there is a direct proportion between the formula, the molecular formula and empirical formula, and it's always, of course, a small whole number ratio. So the first thing you want to do is you want to find out the empirical mass. So what you're going to do is you're just going to find out the molar mass in grams per mole of NH2. So nitrogen is here. So it's 14.007. 14.01 is okay. And hydrogen we know is 1.01 times 2. So that's going to be 16.03 grams per mole, right? So what we're going to do now is we're going to take the formula mass or the molecular mass. Sometimes you'll see it referred to in both ways, molecular mass or formula mass. And we're going to divide that amount by the empirical mass. And you should end up getting a very small whole number, like 2 or 3, maybe 4 sometimes. So we'll take 32.06 divided by 16.03. Then I got to get out my calculator. Where's my calculator? I don't remember where I put my calculator. Is it in here? Do I have a calculator? Calculator, there it is. I don't know where I put it. Anyway, so what was it? 32.06 divided by 16.03. And there you go, it's exactly 2. So this number represents the ratio between the molecular formula and the empirical formula. So the last thing you do is you take NH2 and you multiply it times 2. That gives you N2H4. And this is your molecular formula.